What's up, everybody? It's your girl Nisa Ita back with another video. Hi, you guys. So today is very, very exciting. Um, Today I got some jumbo king crab. Why I say jumbo is because they're bigger than what I've usually had. So I got some jumbo king crab from my point of view. Some people might be like, oh, they're bigger than that. You can get them bigger, whatever. But for me, that's the biggest I've seen and that's the biggest I've gotten, like purchased myself. Now, I wanted to try it before I actually did a video with it. So I had it before. And so this is not my first time trying it, but it's my first time trying it on a video for you guys. And the first time I tried it was so good. My sauce was a little off, but I think I kind of perfected it today. I'm not too sure. Let's find out. We're going to find out soon. Anyways, okay, before we get started, I want to say a prayer, tell you what I got. I already took my thumbnail. My husband's in the background. He stepped out real quick, but he's in the background eating the same thing as me as well. You might see his hand every now and then because I have the sauce. I just realized that. So yeah, you might have to, yeah. You might see some little roughing around later, but it's okay. Like I said, it's going to get better. And the video's going to get better quality, better editing, because I don't edit my videos, in case you noticed. I don't edit my videos, so I try my hardest to make sure it's perfect while filming, videoing, doing whatever, getting it done. I try my hardest to get it done to perfection, but living in a full house with 4 kids of my own, ooh, it's hard. But anyways, so tonight we have Mr. Emerson just walked in the door. I told him that you're gonna be eating in the background. You're in the background with me, and you might have to join me, as in get closer, because I am the only one that has the sauce. If you want sauce, and then I got the new butter sauce too. So if you want to try that, you're gonna have to bring your booty over here. Okay, so let me finish. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta. Okay, so in the front here, right here, I have obviously some sausage, rice, and cucumbers. I love these Hillshire Farm Cajun adobo. I don't know how to really say that one, but they're Cajun style sausages. The Hillshire Farm, not any other brand, just the Hillshire. Like I tried the other ones and they don't taste as good. I love the Hillshire Farm. Anyways, I haven't been able to find it. They haven't been having it in stores. Nothing. Hillshire Farm. What the? I miss those sausages. Okay, I'm a big girl who loves food. Okay, you don't mess with my food. So I found these ones at Fry's, and no, they're not burnt. They're cooked to my liking. Okay. There are adobos. I don't know how to say the freaking name of it. These sausages, the ones I got at Fry's. I don't think you even noticed it. But anyways, it's a new kind of sausage, so I'm trying that. And then in the back, I have the regular pork sausage, kosher sausage, and then I have the my cucumbers. Up front, we have some corn. I have my lovely lobster tail right here. This is a new sauce that I got. I mean, not a new sauce, a new butter that I'm gonna try. I bought it at Costco, and no, I keep saying Costco. I got it at Sam's, and I got three different types. But that's the first one I'm trying, and the second one, this one right here is the garlic parmesan sauce. And then this one on my lobster tail.
You didn't pray yet. Sorry.
On my lobster tail is lemon butter sauce. So I'm gonna be trying those for the first time. And then of course got the main one right here, my king crab. And then of course I have to have me some snow crab, because you know me, I like my snow crab. I got me some mussels right here, some shrimp. I also got some, well, you can't see them because the crab's all over the place. I got some potatoes, eggs, and more shrimp back here. Then of course I had to have my lemon. There you go. Is that better? that too bright, or is that better?
I just realized that I didn't push that button yet.
Yes, let me know what you think, okay? Let me see. Go through it again. I have a light behind my light. So that one's gonna stay on regardless, but this is the light that goes to my phone. So let me know which one looks better. 1,
Dos,
2,
cuatro.
3. I think maybe 2.
We don't want to mention tres.
You're dark. Excuse me while I clean my glasses.
That's too much of information to pass across. Wouldn't be funny to the inside.
Okay, guys. So then telling you what I got. This is the normal sauce that I make. It's just butter sauce with a bunch of seasonings, garlic and onions. Okay, it's inspired by B-Love. So I don't like to call it B-Love sauce because it's not exactly her sauce, but it's inspired by her, if you know what I mean. But being somebody who never ate seafood until I met B-Love, then I don't know. So that's what I'm saying, inspired by her. Okay, and I think that's it. Other than a drink, that's everything. It's the only thing I forgot, but it's okay. Okay. Is that right?
Yeah. Who, me?
If you want to, fine.
Go for it.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Heavenly Father, Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing me with everything you have blessed me with, Lord. So I just ask that you be with everybody else, Lord, and those who may not have food. I pray that you bless them in some way. Also, excuse me. Thank you for this food you provided for me. May it nourish my body and be healthy. Thank you for everything. I pray this in your precious name. Amen.
Amen.
Okay. You see, when I get choked up talking to the Lord, I go,
That's why I want to pray, because food really freezes cold.
What should I try first? I've been really eyeing my shrimp, my rice and cucumber, so I'm going to eat that first. But you know, it's my son in the background. They're in the other room eating dinner as well.
Their dinner.
Gonna put a little blood on my sauce.
Oh yeah, there's this guy, huh?
Yeah. Let me know how it tastes.
With some scripts.
Yeah, that looks good. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Puts the scale from like 8 to like 14.
I don't know if it's focusing, guys, but this is the sausage toast, the new one. It tastes alright. This is all pork sausage.
Okay. I got a tool.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I like that spiciness of the sauce.
Oh, you had them skizzers up there, huh?
No, I don't.
You don't?
No, I left them in the kitchen.
You might want them, huh? Eventually.
Hmm?
Eventually.
Mm-hmm.
Like it is.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a nutcracker.
Yeah, that works. That sausage's pretty good.
I rubbed it down before we used it.
Okay. You cleaned it before you got it. No, this is the regular sausage.
I'm just happy we're glad to get tissues again. Because I remember a hot minute ago, we couldn't buy them at all. But I'm talking ancient. Right? Because that was a minute ago.
Mm-hmm. No, actually just recently too, because they redid it again. It started happening again for a little bit, and then they could have stopped to it real quick.
The re-scare.
Yeah.
Because notice that certain other countries are like, man, what the hell's going on in the States? Y'all tripping on what? About what?
Yeah, we went to the store maybe a month ago, maybe less than a month ago, and then we noticed that the tissue and all the supplies were going down again in our stores.
Yeah, the cleaners.
But we went back recently, so we didn't. Everything's been restocked again.
Back to normal.
Back to normal, pretty much. Anyway, love, can I bother you for something to drink? I got the butter sauce stuck in the back of my throat. It's really itchy.
You need a hot stick. It's gonna be a little bit difficult. Yeah, I'll make it work. Yeah.
Tea? Do I have any tea? Didn't I grab 2 mellow teas at the store? I only got 1 out.
Yeah, it's where the unreachable sodas.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Sorry, I didn't plan for that.
It's okay.
I got sodas, but they're warm.
It's okay. This is great. I usually drink tea too when I eat seafood. It just goes down better, I guess. I'm drinking the Lipton Green Tea Crisp. I like to drink this.
Citrus?
Citrus. Crisp. Citrus. That. I'm doing a video, son. Okay, hold on. Daddy's gonna get it.
Sit.
My son's tired. It's late. He just ate, so he's tired, cranky,
He's
and
trying
full.
to find a reason to get next to me, but I'm currently occupied.
Yeah.
This stuff is so good. Look at this boiled egg. Got a hair on it, but
Okay, what should I eat?
the kiss is like a bald guy's head.
I'm gonna get into this because
Who kisses a bald guy's head anyways? That's weird. But if he's your homie, I guess it might be cool. But seeing someone kiss someone else on the head, and you don't know the background, kind of interesting. You seen that before? A guy kisses another guy's head?
no.
Whether he's bald or not, that's just weird. But you hear the backstory.
So did I hear what you're saying?
But yeah, you hear the backstory, and then it's not as weird as you thought. Because at first you're like, whoa, man, why is he kissing his head? But maybe he's going on a vacation. They're friends. He's not going to see him for a while. That's usually the case. Most people think worst to worst, like, whoa, he's kissing a dude's head.
Nice. Here's my king crab, guys. Now I thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but it's okay. It's okay.
Cause say like you get dropped off at school by your grandma, and as she kisses your forehead, dude's like, "Come on, grandma, my friends are over there." They're like, "Ha ha, his grandma loves him." This dude, kind of the same thing, but you're like, "Yeah, so my grandma likes me. So what? At least I got a grandma." Then there goes the arguments. Oh, you saying I don't have a grandma? Of course you have a grandma, man. We stopped there this past weekend. Dude, man, she makes some really nice coffee. Oh, you say you don't drink coffee. I'll drink your grandma's coffee. That's how much I like your grandma. Mm-hmm. Grandmas are cool.
So, first bite.
That's a lot of meat.
Good meat. That tastes so good.
Tearing up
This
his
is
little.
why I get a spoon. That's why I like to have a spoon next to me. I might have to just eat the other leg of king crab because this king crab is good. I was supposed to save it for my mama, but she ain't here.
Just be like, there's another one where I got this for that.
That's so good.
So when it comes to flavors for your food, do you go more for spicy, sweet, or what's the other one? Tart? Or it depends on the certain food you're eating?
What I like more? Or what do you mean?
Yeah, what do you prefer more?
Flavor-wise?
Flavor-wise for your food.
Savory and spicy.
So more of a spicy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because like when you're looking at a bag of hot Cheetos, you don't have the money to buy it, but you're craving it. Your mouth just gets all watery. That kind of feeling.
Yeah.
Sort of.
It's just some foods taste better. Like they need that
Enhancement.
Yeah, they need that heat to it. So that's what I'm saying. Some food I'm able to eat like without no chili, no spice. No, I don't eat only food with spice.
Can't forget about this guy up front.
Oh yeah, I haven't even tried it yet.
Kind of gotta give it a mix because it's
Oh yeah, it's all at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
I think they said there's basil and Parmesan cheese in there. I'm not too sure. But it wasn't just garlic butter. Garlic butter.
I do taste Parmesan. Now that you mention it.
Oh yeah.
Basil. I see particles, but I don't know what basil looks like. Sure, I'm tasting it too.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one.
Garlic is definitely there.
That's not bad. It's alright. This is not hair. It's hair corn from the corn, but it's not hair. Okay. So you see me picking it out. That's what it is.
Like the younger girl says, it's cool where it's at, bub.
My daughter likes to say that. Her and her daddy got the little saying together.
It's cool where it's at, bub. And then the older one said, who was that, bub?
Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. I'm about to grab it up right now, but... I can say this though.
Thank you.
Good thing my mama ain't here. Cause it tastes so good. Make you wanna, I don't wanna finish that one. Make you wanna, I don't, scratch that record. What did you say, boy?
So, in case I forgot to tell you, I was supposed to tell you, but I don't know if I did or didn't. I got my tripod, and that's currently what I'm filming off of them now. And also the light, obviously, because we talked about it. But I finally got those in, so that's why it's a little bit, quality is a little bit better. But, yeah. I'm only going to get better, hopefully. I need to work on my editing because I don't know how to edit for crap, and I really want an intro. I really want a personal intro. So I'm going to have to work on that. If I really want that, I have to work on it. So hopefully by this time next year, I'll have an intro, a professional intro.
And I'm still stealing your onions. Little orange shirt headed this way though. Good thing I ain't trying to hide from nobody. Oh, there he is.
So good. Okay. I'm going to try a little bit of everything before I make me a potato volcano. Once I start eating those, shoot, I'm going to get full in
Yeah, I was just about to say, when you gonna bust out with one of them? Sauce went down the wrong tube.
Mm-hmm. You sure did. Nice. 10 you.
You went with the Plan B potatoes too, huh? The regular, not the wee little guys. Oh,
What? Just get it from him. Hold on, baby. Yeah, it's hectic. Doing videos is hectic. Well, that's just what you gotta deal with if you want to be a fan of me. Because I can't control it all the time. Every now and then I'll get a chance where I'm like, there's nobody in the house. But those moments are very, very, very rare. Especially during the pandemic. It's very rare. Possibly. More likely, like, never. Especially now since the pandemic. You know, nobody hardly any goes anywhere. That snow cap was so good.
yeah. Since the pandemic kept going, it keeps going. I'm more on top with the mask before we leave the house.
I'm gonna try this with that other sauce.
On the sauce though, it's not unbearably hot.
Yeah, it's just the right amount.
I'm over here still dipping into it.
shouldn't want that. I should have done something for my trash. Okay. What next? What next? Ooh. Let me get a musu. Yeah, muscles. So hopefully, coming up, my sister's gonna be having a baby shower. She's her first baby.
Little dude. Yeah,
Little dude. Little man. Can't wait to see him.
What's up, my? Oh, hey, you got one of those like me, partners. Just kidding.
Yeah, it's her first baby. She's very scared because you know how it goes. Your first pregnancy. So she's very scared, and then especially being during the pandemic, it's really just
Nervous.
just pissing me off because you know all my sisters were there. Well, not all of them, but they were all at least there for at least one of my births for my children, and the fact that I can't be there for my sister's first baby, it really bothers me because I know how it is, and even though sometimes it gets like you have those moments where like you don't want anybody in the room. You just want like everybody to leave you alone, stop talking, stop bothering you. But when it comes down to it, like that love and support that you have at the moment is everything.
Oh, it's extra strict to where it's like that. Just when it's them and the doctor, that's it.
Yeah. Now I don't know how it is. I don't know if anybody had a COVID baby here in Tucson. You know how it is at the hospital. Do they allow? Well, cause I'm okay if I don't go. It's just my mother. I really want her to be there. We really want her to be here.
Yeah, at least while they have to, cause then she
She is underage.
Yeah, that's guardian wise.
I'm not too sure though. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how it is. I don't know how it's gonna go. But we're hoping that they could all go and her.
I'm sure
could be there as well.
Oh, if they don't, there's the potential of a lawsuit. Be like she was underage. Ooh. But I'm sure they covered his bases already. Cause you know certain people. Oh, hey, this thing is just peeing all over me, man.
Okay, guys, it's lobster time. Mr. Crab up in the house. Can you pause it for me real quick? Take one. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. You were right about that window. This food's making me hot. Okay.
You think I'm bringing the 70s back with this old school? I don't give a wet hair look.
I don't know.
Cause you watch Smokey and the Bandit or the 70s show, and people are just
Kelso,
all bushy and just all Randy, like Randy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I feel Randy. Ooh. Just kidding.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, you go. Look at this. Look at this.
I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not used to it. Half the time, it pisses me off. Just gets in the way. To me, it's just like there's someone else doing that to my head.
Okay, guys. Lobster.
Man, that's a beast. That's a good size bite/lobster. Gotta keep it fancy with the pinky. You know where we come from? Class. I was kidding.
I told my friend the other day. We said something. He said something all rezzed out, and I was all like, I'm not a res girl. I'm a bougie native. He just laughed. He goes, well, he held it up. He's like, here, well, you gotta remember your roots. Remember your roots. I was like, shit. I'm good. You're reminding me of them right now.
Oh, just my skills. Juice. You got the juice now.